Okay, students, we're here with the area sector. All right, area sector, and I don't know if we'll ever get the same segments, but math just got super important. Okay, so we can think of sector areas as slices of pizza, and then there's a lot of math that goes on to it, like what is the best value of pizza that you can get. All right, so area, sectors, probably not segments. Those are like the distant cousins everyone forgets about. Anywho, what's the area of a circle? First off, remember circumference. There's no excuse. You have to know that circumference is 2 pi r, or pi times diameter. All right, area, you cannot confuse these. These are not interchangeable. That's not allowed. Area, it's A equals pi r squared. All right, we got to know that. No excuses. So what is the exact area of a circle with radius 7? Literally just do area pi 7 squared, and then 7 squared is 49, and you keep the pi. All right. What is the exact radius of a circle with area of 100 pi? So this time we're going to plug 100 pi in for the A, and it's going to be pi r squared. Divide both sides by pi. 100 equals the radius squared. And don't forget to do the square root of both sides, so 10 equals r. All right. And then what is the exact area of a circumference, or a circle with a circumference of 12 pi? So that's kind of interesting. It's saying circumference is 12 pi. Well, remember circumference equals 2 pi r. So all I'm going to do, extreme close-up, whoa, 2 pi r equals 12 pi. Divide both sides by 2 pi, and the radius will equal 6. The pi's kill each other, and 12 over 2 reduces to 6. All right, so then the radius is 6. So then I just plug it in my trusty formula. So that's interesting. If we know the circumference is 12 pi, we can eventually determine that the area is 36 pi. Cool beans, all right? And here's a nice little challenge problem to finish up the video. The figure below is comprised of 8 circles, 7 small circles, and 1 large circle containing them all. Oops. All neighboring circles are tangent. That means they touch at one point and one point only to each other, and 2 regions between the smaller circles have been shaded. So it's this right here. All right. Each small circle has a radius of 5. We're going to find the area of the shaded region. So what is this shape? This shape's not even named. All right, this red outline shape. What do we call this? We don't know. When we have challenge problems, just break it up into things we know. All right, I'm going to name this circle Ted. All right, let's just find the area of this circle that I named Ted. It has a radius of 5. So Ted has an area of pi r squared, pi 5 squared, 25 pi. All right, area is 25 pi. All right, that means area 25 pi, 25 pi, 25 pi, so on and so forth. All right, all these little circles have an area of 25 pi. All right, we'll call this is Ted's family. So Ted's family, the area is, well, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, there's 7 circles, so it's going to be 7 times 25 pi, which should be 175 pi. exactly 175 pi. All right. So Ted's family exists in this big circle. All right, we'll call this circle the universe. All right. Well, what's the radius of the universe? Well, realize that's 5. Then this radius is 5. I kind of did a bad job of drawing that. But we can just do a bunch of radiuses. This radius right here is 5. This radius right here is 5. This radius right here is 5. So adding up all the radius of the smaller circle, we find the radius of this big circle is 15. So the area of the universe, where Ted and his family live, is pi times 15 squared, which comes out to 225 pi. Alright, so let's just now do the gaps. Alright, all these gaps, we have the red one already shaded, then there's this green one, so on and so forth. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 unique gaps. Alright, it's just going to be 225 pi minus the family gap, or 175. So it's 50 pi. Alright, so all these gaps added together is exactly 50 pi. So on and so forth. And then this red shaded region, there's 6 of those gaps, so it's just going to equal 50 pi. We only need 1 out of the 6, so divide by 6, which reduces to 25 over 3 pi. Okay?